music. Friends forever, me I say me can refuse it. We have a mutual friend and the music. Right along.
Yes, Bushradio, a fire time right now. Remember, as I promised you earlier on, that tonight we have the messenger in the building, alongside the Prince of Fire. Right about now, I've been joined by the Prince of Fire, otherwise known as Dhadza D. Any projects coming up from Dhadza D?
Yeah, man, we're working on brand new tunes. You see me already have 3 singles out already.
Okay.
You see me, the first single is named Menduru. Yeah, man, rhythm done by JMP Jeepers.
Alright.
You see me, rhythm named Ripande.
Okay.
You see me, and the next single is named Baby Diaper.
Alright.
From Mokari, you see me, one of the baddest producers from Yard.
Yeah.
You see me, and the third track, it's a collaboration with brethren from Germany. The name Simpy Sound.
Simpy Sound.
Yeah, man, Simpy Sound. It's a cool brethren. We had a single together. It's a name How We Roll. You see me, it a feature one MC from Germany as well, named MCG.
Right.
And Simpy Sound, they make the production and rhythm.
Okay, and how many people are involved in that tune?
It's the 3 of us. Right. Me, Simpy Sound, and MCG. Yeah.
Okay.
I made the only Zimbabwean guy on it.
Alright. And you proud of it?
Yeah, man, definitely. You see me, Jah Powers. You see, we have to work on collaboration with Germany bridges. Them. You see me, it's a blessing, and we give thanks to the Almighty for the chance and the opportunity always.
Alright.
And
you know, people they always know Dhadza D, but some people they want to know something beyond that. Who is Dhadza D?
Well, Dhadza D is a youth from Zimbabwe. Chitungwiza, born by the name Darlington Tonga Ijanje. You see me, born in the 80s. You can't say
in the 80s.
Yes, in the 80s.
Born free, okay.
Yeah, born free, but still, you know, we're there in the struggle and still.
Yeah, man.
Me is a proud youth because, you know, manners, you know, we grow with good manners and we respect the elders, our mothers and fathers, and the next man and the youngsters, so that they can respect because respect goes both ways.
Yeah, man.
But basically, Darlington is a man from Africa, Zimbabwe, you know, proud of my nationality and black and strong. You see me, yeah.
All right, and talking about late last year, you were in UK.
Man.
Hit UK. To how was it like? And I believe it was the first time.
Yeah, man, it was the first time. It was powerful, you see me, because you see UK massive, you know, them not really used to the energy that me brought pan, you see me, and them used to the people doing big tricks, and especially, you know, the artists who go out for, and some of them cheat pan the fans them put a CD and they just lips pan it. Right. I would say we run pan instrument and we write pan an instrument. So we give them a good show. And you know, see, the love was just amazing. The attendance was amazing and the show was good. It was a blessed show. And you know, it was amazing. We would love to go back again with a band. You see me, yeah.
All right. And do you have any plans like upcoming shows, like in terms of, you know, like here in South Africa, apart from this one? Yeah,
man, definitely, you know, we want to come back here and do more shows, you know.
I have some messages with me right now. People are carrying all the way from Durban. They're saying, yeah, you guys...
Yeah, man, I've never been to Durban, you know. Me want to go to Durban, you see me. So if any promoter be listening right now from Durban, you have to link up Dhadza D, you have to link up Bashmouth, Bushradio, we're there still, you see me.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to play one more tune from you and then we'll wrap up while we are waiting for the messenger. All right, Bushradio, 89.5 FM. We have Dhadza D in the building.
Order! Charge it! Order! Charge it! Hey, order! Charge it! Yo! Order! Charge it! Why you want to jump the border?
Critical bad.
Dinim Dara, Kubak Dara, King of Fire. Charge it! Teenage Baba Tato, Chichungwiza Yato, Jim Dara Tato, Chisekuru Tato, Teenage Baba Tato, Chichungwiza Yato. Order!
Dr. Mdara, Sidavan Mafara, Pando Yimbo Chamba, Pando Yimbo Chamba, Dr. Mdara, Uritanima Gitare, Unono Watama. When selection is nice, that means that the situation is critical. That means that you play it twice, no compromise. Dr. Mdara, Sidavan Mafara, Pando Yimbo Chamba, Pando Yimbo Chamba, Dr. Mdara, Dr. Mdara. Order! Manoti tuka. One more, please, fireman, no tuka. One more, please. Hey, ciao! Ika Satuka, Mano Kandama missiles. Maken. Ika Satuka, Mano Baya Paden. Tinich Baba Chacho, Titungiza Yacho. Chimdara Chacho, Tisekuru Chacho. Tinich Baba Chacho, Titungiza Yacho. Order! Ciao! Dino Misama no Kukanda Maken. Dino to Sabanga Makuyenda Kuden. Ciao! Dino Sata Pawarangari Nevanuten. Ciao! Tinich Baba Chacho Chitungiza Yacho. Chimdara Chacho Chisekuru Chacho. Tinich Baba Chacho Chitungiza Yacho. Order! Ciao! Dini Mdara Kubagdara King of Fire. Dini Mdara Kubagdara.
And you got what?
King of Fire.
Chacho.
Yo! Order! I will say again. Order! I will say charge. Okay. I'm sorry, I did it.
This music that will just bring
I love the spirit. Alright, I'm going to play one more tune from Dhadza D.
Critical bad.
Produced right here in Cape Town by Focus Empire.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, boy, hey, yo, Ababana, Canada, Guana, look to the Visa,
I move to JJ Convex.
Make you like crown.
Yeah, like crown. You are good. Jemba na ngajua ma drugs. Ozo para mamuno ya chimchaka. Ukana go bazar ku kando na afuna ku kando.
Empire! Katimo! Lord! Major! Yeah? Your man carry! Charge! You pick up a type on nimbo. Oh! Bill! Ababa nandi no Vegas, I'm a daipam. Mogari ba utenda kaipam. Zichiri pere tema daipam. Yo! Yeah! The Vegas, I'm a daipam. Yeah! The Vegas, I'm a daipam. Yeah! Baby daipam. The Vegas, I'm a daipam. Yeah! The Vegas, I'm a daipam. Yeah! Baby daipam. Hapana nditizo tiribanyanga achizi chigubuga gubuga marubanda say ona oliva mutukuti nzo samanyanga ari jume ari siragiza ne masanga baraganda barajanda barasapoteta evona maka baraganda madinga bata israbata ataka jibata o atmata oh batisa moto pirisa puto viper ya chincha ndapita mbugia natanda via nakanda nditsangutia mafanzo via mafila nkumatia mof yeah kapeka za taifa yeah kapeka za taifa yeah baby taifa kapeka za taifa yeah kapeka za taifa
Where do people find you? How do they get hold of you if they want to book you?
Yeah, man, they can link up on Dhadza D Fire King at ymail.com or Facebook.
Yeah.
It's Dhadza D Fire King. Dhadza with an H, DHA, DZA, D Fire King. Yeah, man. Or they can call me on +263 772 967 808.
All right. Can you repeat that
plus 263
Yes.
772 967 808. That's a hotline there. Yeah, man.
All right. The sons of Dhadza D. Before you, yeah, it's always like a culture right here in Bushradio. Like every time, every artist pass through.
Yeah, man.
You have to drop up like a freestyle.
Why not?
Yeah, we just want to make sure it fits you. All right, can you just give us a small freestyle?
You have a rhythm?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so the rhythm, I mean, just freestyle, man.
Oh, you want a rhythm?
Yeah, man, we want a rhythm, I mean, just do it properly. You see me, Bushradio, I know joke thing.
Yeah, man.
A real daily attack about Bashmouth, you see me, so, yeah, just send it and we just do it. You see me?
Which one?
Anyone, anything.
I'll put the one that is close to me right now.
All right. Yes, Sergeant. Bushradio, you be there? 89.5 FM. Yeah, again. Yeah, Dhadza D. Pan Bushradio, so we kill them things in a stereo. Oh, no. Good. Bushradio. Cape Town. Kylie. Everybody. Go, get the duty. Just got a goodie. But when I go get the booty, but I ain't the booty. Johnny does a one can you chip. This is what is Uchi. Again. Ibo poto ne mane mu bobo aiwa baba bodo sakana bobo ina ni sibe to bada man bono do wadi dile mu koto chachi mane godo ne maguru ne todo siaba ide koko ati wo ne koko. Yeah, you don't know Bushradio. Yeah, well, you rush, you crash, bush. Yeah, when we say the woman never call it, we flash music, I will not play fan flash. When we say boy, I go and dash. Bushradio, you stereo. Yeah, man.
Yes, Bushradio. Yeah, turn up right about now. Dhadza D in the building. Yeah, man. 89.5 FM, it's all about the level of the vibes each and every Thursday night.
Yeah. Anyway, vibe on the rhythm and the bass. We love to see the black woman sexy face. Again, give me the vibe, give me the rhythm, give me the bass. The place is a fire, why I'm fling on the baby, but you don't get vibe on the rhythm and the bass. We love to see the black woman sexy face. Again, vibe on the rhythm and the bass. The place is a fire, why I'm fling on the baby, but you don't get burn confusion. I give the ganja as the healing of the nation. That's why I listen to conscious conversations. Listen up, I got a few things to mention. In the club, when the woman wants attention, quarantine, and they have no aggression anyway. When they fornication, I rock it to the nation. Yo, again, vibe on the rhythm and the bass. We love to see the black woman sexy face. Again, give me the vibe, give me the rhythm, give me the bass. The place is a fire, why I'm fling on the baby, but they don't get vibe on the rhythm and the bass. We love to see the black woman sexy face. Again, vibe on the rhythm and the bass. The place is a fire, why I'm fling on the baby, but they don't get east from the north to the south and to the west. I see the beautiful faces. Some of them have been fat, tall or short. But black woman, you know, sad could never make a car. You better know your ways in the kitchen. This is how I saw you in my vision. Just a divine girlfriend.